I know we all like genuine OE, okay? We just love it when everything is original. You can see the original rust over here. One of the things you do not want is you do not want the original power steering fluid. I pulled his cap off. You won't believe what we found, because he was complaining about real stiff steering. You know, some of you are thinking, well, Ken, how do you know that's original to the factory? Well, it has the original type of filter. And look, I swear that thing is totally plugged. And look at the color of the power steering fluid. That's another indication that this probably hasn't been changed since 1979. So we're going to suck some of this stuff out of here. Take a good look at it. Oh, isn't that lovely? Okay, so we're going to put new power steering fluid in it. We're not going to use ATF. This is a style of filter we can use. We can drop this right in here, and you do not have to use the old original filter. Hopefully, no guarantees though, hopefully this new filter and new fluid will improve the stiffness of the steering in this 450 SEL. You know, I talked about the importance of doing this filter and fluid in the power steering and forgot to mention about this return hose. For some reason on these old cars that have sat, this always needs to be changed. You can see, you know, it's cracked. That's the sure sign. They kind of bulge out and crack around the clamp, but for some reason it's the low pressure hose that always fails first. Check out the dramatic difference in this fluid from our power steering unit in the 450. This right here is the old fluid that was in it, and by the time we flush it, this is what started to come out. So please, folks, don't neglect your power steering. In conclusion, I just want to report back. The owner drove the car. He cannot believe the difference. Now it's smooth, normal steering. Before it was like driving a truck. Can you imagine with all that dirty fluid and dirty filter was affecting the ability of the driver to turn the steering wheel without excessive effort. Now this is what comes in my kit for flushing these older power steering units. If you recall, I said I do not like automatic transmission fluid. Now that was recommended up until 1985, and you're going to say, well, why? Why don't you like automatic transmission fluid? See, there's the original right there. Okay, here's the deal. If any of you have been around these old Mercedes, which cars have the worst problem with steering box wear and excessive play? It's all those models up to 1985. When was the last time you had to change a steering box in a 300E? Because they changed the fluid. They went to a different fluid at the factory, and from 1986 on, they didn't have as many steering box problems as they did from those models that are 1985 and older. So I highly recommend you use the newer style fluid. This is what we are supplying. You'll get the hose and the clamp to do a complete flush of the system. You want to be able to use the fluid to flush the old fluid out until it's coming clean. Now, on this car, it required 3 liters. The fluid was so dirty we had to use 3 bottles, but most of the time 2 bottles is enough to completely flush the old fluid out and install the new fluid. And then we also include a brand new filter, and as you got to see, this filter here can replace that old style fiber filter that you see on a lot of these pre-1980 models. So something as simple as this put a huge smile on the owner's face.